If you have struggled to reach monetization with your YouTube channel, then I am here to describe 2 things you can begin to do. Yes, I believe you have watched a lot of videos. There are so many trash online now. A lot of them are not working. A lot of the trash videos that people make on what to do to increase subscribers and also to increase watch hours. Most of them are not working. Most of them are not working. They just see a flashy, what is it called? A flashy banner and a title and subtitle. You think it's going to work. A lot of them don't actually work practically. And describing this, especially practically for what I have tested, because I have been able to carry out researches on this severally. I wanted to see what is working. The reason is because we have websites that are ranking very well on Google search. So for so many years now, for a lot of keywords and key phrases. So when we got on YouTube, I felt I should be able to use that particular strategy for YouTube channel, but it didn't really work. Keywords optimization and all that. It didn't really work using the title and all that. It didn't really work, and I was wondering, I think these systems are different. So, but you still find a lot of articles, a lot of videos telling you that you should do keywords optimization for your title. Yes, you still have to do them, but I noticed they didn't really work for me. So, and I began to wonder what will work. So I'll be describing what has been working for me. It's still a work in progress, and I'll be giving you updates on this particular channel at Solution TV. Before I go ahead, I want you to watch this video till the end. I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends. Now, this is the first thing I discovered. I began to do live programs, live broadcast. Sometimes whenever I do a video and I put it onto my channel, and then I notice after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, about 5 views, and I'm wondering what is happening. And then on this channel I have, and on this channel I have over 3,000, over 2,000 or whatever subscribers, and on one of my channels I have over 3,500 subscribers. Then when I push a video that I upload on it, I notice I don't always get views. What is going on? I will optimize the title, even the banner for the video, create it very well, beautiful. But I don't usually have views. So I felt, what should I do? Then I was carrying out research, and I read one article that I should do a live video. Then what did I do? I did a live video, and I was surprised. During the live videos, people actually joined. And then after the live videos had ended, I see 7,500 views, and I was surprised. So it means that when you do live videos, you get more views. And I was even getting subscribers. I was on one of the channels just some moments ago. I did a live video, and I actually saw 4 subscribers. And this was a new channel that have about over 100 subscribers. About 4 subscribers subscribed immediately, and it has always been like that. It has always been like that. And the views, close to 80 views, and you see people commenting when you are on live program. So I advise you to begin to do live program. You can be mixing it. This is not a live video. You can be mixing it. You can you can be doing live videos and also uploading videos and also doing shorts. But you can do more of live videos to get views and to get people to subscribe, because I observe it is likely YouTube is promoting live broadcast more. It is likely. So that is the first thing I believe you should be doing. Then the second thing is that you should get subscribers. Now, don't go and pay those scammers to give you subscribers. They will get it to you through bots. And people they will get to you are people who will not be interested in your channel. You will videos. And one thing that I've noticed is that the subscribers matter. The subscribers that you have matter. They must be interested in the videos that you upload. Whenever you upload a new video, YouTube will check if we send an alert to them. YouTube will check if they are going to show interest. If a large percentage are not showing interest, it means what you are producing is not interesting. So the first day, 24 hours, 48 hours, YouTube checks this. And when they didn't click on it and they are not interested because they don't actually know what you are producing, then YouTube feels that video is not important. YouTube does not give it the extra push of promotion. So don't buy subscribers. Don't buy subscribers. You need to ensure your subscribers come to you naturally. And how do you ensure that? I was looking at what to do, because you can't trust any organization or scammers. So I was looking at what to do. Then it came to my mind that I can do YouTube ads. And for a Nigerian watching this, you can also do a YouTube ad. Now, it was a problem in the past because Nigerian banks don't allow you to spend online, but a lot of them have changed now. Presently, I use my Access Bank card, and YouTube actually accepted it. I paid on YouTube some days ago. So to pay for subscribers, to pay for organic views, and also for my channel to be publicized. So I was able to promote a video on my channel, on one of my channels. I was able to promote a video, and subscribers, I was able to get about 43 subscribers within less than 2 days. 43, so less than 2 days. And these subscribers will stay with you because they actually watch a video from you. And then because I update my YouTube channel regularly, they get used to me. So and also I do live videos, so they get used to me. So and they begin to share, they begin to write comments. The moment YouTube notices that a large percentage of these people are interested in what you do, then what are they going to do? They will begin to give the extra push. You see, the secret is the extra push that YouTube gives to you. But it comes with the fact that you have a subscriber base that are interested in what you do. So it's a dangerous thing for you to go and pay for subscribers, and for people who don't know you, who won't even watch your video, who won't even click on the notification, who will click on the notification alert that YouTube is sent to them. It's dangerous. So you have to guard that seriously. So getting subscribers, it is going to be slightly expensive, but it is better when we are using third party to buy YouTube. A third party can be very expensive, they charge for commissions and all of that. So, but it is good. You are investing, you are creating a community of yourself. You will get more from it. You will get more from this later. When your subscribers have grown and then they've come to know you. You can be able to do a lot of things with your channel that are legal, that are godly. Is that okay? So pay for YouTube ads, and then it's so easy to set it up. So get to your video. On the 3 dots, click on it. You will see promote, click on it. Then follow on screen instructions. So just like I said, Access Bank, I use my Access Bank card. I'm not sure of other banks, but I use my Access Bank card and it went through. I input it and it went through. So you can also do that. Another way to increase subscribers is for you to look for a channel that can accept you to promote a video, your channel link on their own channel, an established channel. Now this can be very difficult because I tried to do that, sent a mail, but I sent an email to 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, but I didn't really receive a good response. But I'm going to try it more. There are some established channels who can be ready to promote you, so that you can gain subscribers. But they have to trust what you are doing. It has to be godly, it has to be in line with what to do. You have to pay them. So it's like when we pay for sponsored posts. When people pay for sponsored posts on our blogs, yes, sponsor with their links, do follow links on their blogs. So those 3 ways you can be able to increase subscribers. When you increase subscribers, then be consistent with pushing videos, good content onto your subscribers. They get used to you. They can even recommend your channel, and you can have an everlasting relationship. You can have an enduring relationship, business relationship. So I believe you have enjoyed this. That is one way to reach monetization naturally. That is one way to gain more subscribers. customers from your YouTube channel. I believe you love this. Please subscribe to this channel, write a comment, and find more descriptions about us and the Solution TV and the Increased Income Seminar. Find a lot about us in the description to this video. Thank you so much.